Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my traffic stream review. So here I am right inside of the members area of traffic stream. In this review guys, I'll give you a walk through this product. Okay, let's check out the sales page. Well, by the way, you will find a link to the sales page below my review. Go check it out guys. I'm not gonna be spending time going through the sales page. Well, this is Fergal Downs, Max Gerstenmaier and Al Cheeseman, who are behind this training course, which is 2-in-1 really. It's a training course and you're also getting pretty cool software, okay, that you can access here from inside of the members area. It's so-called Page Melon software, and this software essentially is going to help you build your campaigns. Okay, you will need campaigns to promote products in various niches, all sorts of niches, and yeah, I'll explain the method behind this training course in a sec. I just want to show you the software here. It's actually Al Cheeseman here that is going to give you a walk through the software, and this software has quite a few powerful features. It's your page builder, it's your autoresponder, and a link cloaker, link cloaking tool as well, and it's gonna have a few additional features like tracking as well. So that's really nice that they included it within this members area. So when is it launching? It is launching, it's going live anytime soon at 11 a.m. New York time today, on the 10th, is it the 10th? Yeah, the 10th of April. And by the way, guys, if you pick up this product via the link below my review, you will also get access to four training courses by, the same vendors, the full-blown training courses that you get access here. A lot of value. So, as I said, the sales page, they say buy a traffic click machines gets us 100+ laser targeted buyer clicks every hour, banking us this and that much money. And just a little disclaimer, guys, don't expect to be making this much money right off the bat. I have no reason to doubt this method works, but like with everything, you first need to, go through the training course, implement, set up your campaigns, and then in some time you can start counting money, but do the work first. Like with anything, you've got to stick to it. Now let's get to it. What is Traffic Stream all about? It's basically, you will be leveraging the power of Medium. So Medium is a platform where you can go and write blogs on, and Medium articles rank well, guys, on Google. So apparently they even rank higher than Reddit articles. Basically with this method you would be doing so-called parasite SEO, and I just googled it for you so you can have just in case you don't know what parasite SEO means. It's basically, the term parasite refers to the fact that you are leveraging the authority and the trust of another website to boost your own rankings without having to build your own domain authority or backlink. So basically that's that, okay? So you would be leveraging the authority and the trust that Medium has in general, okay? It is a well-trusted platform, and what this training also shows you how to do is, by the way, by Fergal, all by Fergal except for this software walkthrough, which was done by Al. All of the training was created by Fergal. It's short and sweet, to the point. What he shows you here is, after the overview, how to promote, what to promote. He will walk you through all of the niches that there are, which he will recommend some niches which are unsaturated, so best to go for, yet still get a lot of traffic. Okay, and then how to get your keywords with this one. Fergal will recommend you here to go for SEMrush, which is your SEO tool. It's expensive, okay? It is well over $100 a month, but you get a 1 month free trial and you can do all your keyword research you want for your campaigns, for your articles, which then you would outsource, because that's the method, okay, here. So you find the right niche. You also have a done for you niche here, okay. You can actually promote Fergal's product about cankles, how to get rid of cankles for women. It's a very, very unsaturated niche, yet there's a lot of people searching for it. A lot of ladies who are desperately trying to get rid of cankles. And yeah, Fergal very, very smartly created a training course about that, a product which he has on ClickBank. So you obviously get auto-approved for it. And, you know, you will have, if you click through this button here, you will have all of the keywords needed for the campaigns to promote this product and all of that. So that's sort of done for you. But Fergal also shows you how to do your keyword research and how to find any product to promote from ClickBank, newbie friendly. You don't have to worry about not getting approved and stuff like that. So go for ClickBank, especially if you're a newbie. Plus, there are multiple niches on ClickBank, all kinds of niches you can possibly think of, in which you can find products to promote. Okay, so in the next module, Fergal will show you how to get your affiliate links from ClickBank, and then how to get your articles written. So basically there will be a person he will recommend on this platform called SEO Clarks, I believe. Okay, and you can get this like blog creation totally outsourced. You can write the blogs yourself, I mean the Medium articles. You can use AI, you can use ChatGPT to create them, or just outsource them. Go by what Fergal recommends here. He apparently knows this guy, I forgot his name, but he's used his services many, many times, and he charges something like 50 cents per article. So you will have many articles written, and then you will have to have them indexed, okay, for Google to recognize them. And here, for that, Fergal will recommend a tool called Omega Indexer. It's $20 a month. It is $20 a month, but what Fergal recommends here, get it for a month. Within that month, for $20, you can have up to 1,000, I believe, links submitted and indexed in Google, and voila. Do the job, have your articles written, use the SEMrush tool to do your keyword research, the free trial, okay? Or Fergal also recommends someone on Facebook who can apparently get you a discount if you decided you want to stick to SEMrush and use it for beyond the free trial, okay? So that's that. So yeah, you'll have by following this module here, you'll have your articles indexed in Google, and that's pretty much it, guys. And you even have this bonus done for you campaigns, in case you do want some done for you campaigns. You can't be bothered like doing any keyword research or searching the product which you could potentially promote. So go for this done for you option if you wish as well. And then we have the conclusion here and this PageMelon software that I have already shown you, that Al is presenting here for you. He will give you a walkthrough. Again, it's your landing page builder, it's your page builder, it's your autoresponder, link cloaker, guys, your tracking tool as well. A lot of cool features that you will have here. Okay, so that's that, guys. And yeah, the sales page below my review, go check it out. You get it via my link, guys. You're gonna get also quite a few bonuses, okay, by Fergal, that Fergal gave me access to. You're gonna find them inside of your Warrior Plus account. When you go to purchase history, there will be my bonus delivery page, and the bonuses will be waiting for you. Alright, I guess that's it. So that was my traffic stream review. You will have some upgrades as well. The front end will be around, hold on, let me just check out here for you if we have the prices. So the front end around $13, and then a few upsells like done for you, mass free traffic training, done for you Prodigy, and a few more. So I would say once you've picked up the front end, you will be presented with the upsells to each and every of the OTOs, upsells, upgrades. Go check them out. Okay, if there is something that you think you could benefit from, pick it up. If not, leave it, right? No sweat. Get what you want, leave what you don't want. And that's how I go about it. Anyway, right. All right, traffic stream seems quite cool. Follow this training. The main thing is, guys, to implement, okay, what you actually learn. Nothing gets done just by going through the training. Set up your campaigns, use the keyword research tool, get those articles, outsource. I would say get them outsourced. Just follow what Fergal is showing you here, because he's been there, done it, got the t-shirt, many t-shirts. He's tried this method many times, works for him. Why should it not work for you? You just need to do it, okay? And have them published and indexed on Google, and voila. Ciao, bye, and see you very soon.